So I bought bread and some sweet pastry for breakfast here at Lubashka Galeria Vypekov Bakery, and I'm on the street going back home already. Look who is it here! Good morning! Finally woke up! And now I'm walking with a Kemi. Quick! The weather today is really nice. To me, smells like spring, even though it's like 2 degrees Celsius. This is the pastry I bought at the bakery. It's with plum. Looks very nice, and look who's already waiting for breakfast. Kemi! You are so funny, but she already had her breakfast. I've had such a productive day. I cleaned the whole apartment. I edited the video. I actually did a lot, even had time to read a book. So I feel super productive and effective today. And right now it's 4:20 p.m. and time to go get Alice back home. Lately she really likes žlobek. She doesn't cry there at all. And even today in the morning, what she did was, like, we entered, I helped her to take outerwear. And then she saw a nurse, and then she just walked by herself. She smiled, so she walked to the nurse. That was awesome. So I'm really happy that everything is going well. It means that we are doing it right. Here is my baby Alice. Never cried today. Slept for 20 minutes only. Nurse said that she was just laying down and doing nothing, so maybe she will sleep. She will fall asleep right now, who knows. I'm really glad that Alice is really enjoying the nursery, and she really likes this nurse. And for the carnival, I was thinking that maybe we as parents also will join it, but no, they said it's only for kids. So it's gonna be on Friday, and I don't know, really looking forward to it. They all will be dressed as cartoon or fairy tale characters. We will see. So basically we need to start practicing with Alice to wear this bun like Mickey Mouse does, because she always takes it off every single moment, and then she comes and say, okay, please wear it for me again. I have a little problem. So you know this rule, right? Shake it before you open it. So I just had a super great workout, washed my hair, went out of the shower, and wear new clothes, the clean clothes, and decided to cook pasta. And I shaked the cream before opening, and voila! Oh, honey, help me please, stop making video of me. So Alice is asleep, and I'm going back home. We'll let her sleep in the bedroom with an open balcony, while I will be doing something, maybe, I don't know, at least cook some dinner for her. We are back home. Alice is already awake, slept for 1 hour. So I don't know what time will she go to bed tonight. Hopefully not that late. Today I have tested the new recipe. It's a cauliflower in some spices and oil, and I just baked it in the oven for 1 hour. You know what? It is so tasty. Really good. Try if you like cauliflower. What is? Let's go. We'll play puzzle. Okay. Banana. Please put it there.
Mama.
Try again, please. You're very close. Let me put it like this. Put it. See? Very well. Pineapple. Yeah, super. Kiwi. Kiwi. What? This is orange. Orange is here.
Yeah.
Well, yeah, pretty similar, but Alice, it's vice versa. Like this. Like this, see? Pear. Yes, very well, but you have to turn it. Grape. Super. Apple. No. Apple is here. This is strawberry. But put it normally. Cherry. No. Where is cherry, Alice? I have a feeling that you're cheating, you know? Turn it. Turn. Well, almost, yeah, but it's supposed to be this way. Okay? Strawberry. Yes, super. And where is the watermelon? Here. Turn. Again. This is actually a very great puzzle. She really loves it. Alice, what are you doing? Oh my god. You guys, look how funny is that? I put Akemi's toy, Fox, in Vitaly's pocket. And Akemi doesn't know how to take it out. Давай, Akemi. Давай. Давай. Yeah, super, Akemi. Bingo. And now you have to eat it.